Look at the fish. Oh, this one was starving.
He swallowed it whole.
Oh, Fred, já we tight now, tutu.
Já vai com três. Eu vou ver aqui, apanhei aquele que vinha lá na casa do barco, com três.
I got it. I'm a professional fluke surgeon. There we go.
Thank you. Bye bye. See you next year.